Have you heard about AI? It's not just science fiction anymore, it's transforming factories right now. Factories use something called CMMS, Computerized Maintenance Management Systems. Think of CMMS as a factory's to-do list for machines, and AI is the super smart assistant managing it. AI knows what needs fixing and when, keeping everything running smoothly. Factories have tons of hardworking machines, and if one breaks, everything can stop. That's where AI steps in, helping prevent surprise breakdowns. The AI and CMMS combo means fewer problems, smoother operations, and happier workers. It's good for machines, good for workers, and good for everyone who relies on what factories make. Smart factories are here, and it's just the beginning. With AI, factories are more efficient than ever. It's a win-win-win for everyone. Let's hear it for the future of smart factories. So, how does AI make maintenance easier? Imagine searching for a tiny screw in a giant room. Impossible, right? That's what finding problems in a factory used to feel like. But AI scans mountains of data from machine sensors in seconds. These sensors track temperature, vibrations, and more. AI spots issues before they grow. It's like having a data detective on the team. AI organizes maintenance schedules, prioritizing which machines need attention first. The maintenance crew gets clear instructions, not just guesses. Less stress, more success. AI is the ultimate assistant. It's not about replacing jobs, but giving maintenance teams new superpowers. With AI, they fix things before they break, becoming true maintenance superheroes. Smarter decisions, faster fixes. AI is the coolest tool in the toolbox. Everyone wins when maintenance is this easy. Superheroes in factories? Absolutely. Here's where AI really shines: predictive maintenance. AI predicts when a machine might fail before it actually does. It learns what's normal for each machine, then spots tiny changes that signal trouble. Like a phone warning you to charge soon, AI alerts the team before breakdowns happen. Fixing small issues early saves big money and prevents costly shutdowns. Factories stay productive, only replacing parts when needed. Predictive maintenance means fewer accidents and a safer workplace. Planned maintenance is smoother and less stressful for everyone. Workers can focus on preventing problems, not just reacting to them. It's calm, efficient, and smart. Less downtime, more output. AI keeps factories running and wallets happy. That's brilliant. Is AI in factories just a dream? Not at all. It's happening now. Car companies use AI to check if robots are welding perfectly, making safer cars. Food factories rely on AI to keep equipment clean and running, so our food stays safe. Energy companies use AI to predict when wind turbines need repairs, preventing big problems. From tiny parts to massive machines, AI is making a real difference. For anyone in manufacturing, this is fantastic news. AI in CMMS is like having the world's best assistant. It helps you work smarter, not harder. You get to be proactive, not just reactive. The future of manufacturing is bright, thanks to AI. It's about efficiency, safety, and making work better for everyone. Embrace the technology, learn it, use it, and get excited. The ride has just begun, and it's going to be amazing. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.